Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood and Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. After the last couple of videos, I've had a lot of requests for the design or drawings for the drill and hammer racks that are here behind me on the wall. And after I was getting ready to draw it up in CAD and put it out there for you to download, and I decided, you know what? That's not something that I want to do. One of my big goals with this channel is to encourage people to get out in the shop and work and build stuff, and along with that I also wanted to share the tips, tricks, and techniques that I use when I'm working, pass those along to you. So I dropped the idea of making the drawings available to you. The video we're going to make this week is a holder for the 9-inch or 7-inch grinder, whichever disc you happen to have on it, and it's going to hang up on the wall here behind me. And the long video is going to walk you through everything to go with it, the pattern making, everything step by step. Please let me know in the comments down below if you like this format. And as always, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can also follow us on Instagram, Wood and Metal Workshop, no dashes, just the Wood and Metal Workshop. All right, guys, let's get on. All right, guys, so this is the grinder that we got to make a bracket for. This wheel seems to have been damaged, so we're going to throw that one away, but for the moment it'll suffice to do what we need it to do, which is give us our place to hang this from. So I'm going to grab a pencil. Along with holding the grinder, we want to hold our backing plate and sandpaper, or grinding paper, depending on how you want to look at it, and the big wire cup brush. So they're all in the same place, so everything can be just grabbed real easily. Plus we need to have a way to hang the cord. So that's our goal here. So we're just going to kind of figure out a bracket, and then we're going to do a rough sketch of the bracket here. Alright guys, so we're just making a little thumbnail sketch of kind of what we want to have here. So we've got the grinder holder, call it that. Got a place for accessories, and a cord hook, kind of list of kind of some of the options that we want, and kind of just a little thumbnail sketch here of what it can be. Little hook off to the side for the cord. Up here in the back we'll have 2 mounting holes to mount it to the wall. We'll put a third one down low just to give it a nice firm mount, and then a peg to hold this stuff. So Kobe, hand me a tape measure.
Yep.
Hand me the other tape measure. That one's getting a little worn out.
Yeah.
So that's 9 inches, so we know we need probably 10 inches there. So going down we need probably, we'll say 7 from the pin to 9 inches there. Hook coming out, probably 2 inches, so that gives us an overall 12, plus the upright here, that's got to be 2 inches. And then we want a place to put this. Got that there. You know what, we can probably put this on the same pin. So we do a side view. That sticks out 3 inches. This is about 1/2 inch. So I'm going to need probably 5 inches there. That kind of gives us a starting point. We'll go ahead and draw it up, fold it up, and see where we go from there. So I'm just going to slide this out of the way. The full disc that we put on here is 7 inches. So center's 3.5. All right, so we've got, do a little addition here. 18 and a half inches is what we're going to need. And on our width, we're going to need, let's see, 10, 14. So I'll make a, come over here, 14 inches. Got that. We're gonna need, Kobe, you wanna grab me that long measuring stick back right below the garage door opener?
This one.
Yeah, okay, so we wanted it 10 inches wide, so there's our 10 inches there. We nipped the corners up at the top, so let's get our mark our centers. Probably want to come down about 2 inches there, 2 inches there. Five inches in the middle. That's going to be our screw hole. Wanted this 4.5. That was 5. hand me that roll of tape right there.
Which one?
The one right in front, the big one. Yeah. Third drawer down on this side, center punch.
This one?
No.
This one.
Yep, third drawer down. Skinny one. Yep. So mark my screw holes here. Gotta put this in here. Put our third mounting hole in there. And I'm gonna nip these corners off. All right, Kobe, hand me that pair of scissors that's up in the top, the black-handled ones. It's gonna go something like that. So now we're just gonna make a few more marks on here. I'm gonna mark out an inch at the center and an inch at each end on these fold lines. So what we're going to do, these marks here, when we cut this out of our steel, we're going to drill these holes here, and then we're going to use the cutoff wheel and we're going to slot these points right here. It just makes it a lot easier to bend this, to do that. This little bend, we don't need it for something like that. No sense slotting that. And so let's get the bench cleared off. We'll get some steel up here. We'll transfer this to a piece of steel, and we'll start putting this thing together. So we're back to a piece of 11 gauge steel that we've used for all our other brackets, just because that's what we have in the shop. You can see here that it's not quite big enough for this. I don't want to waste the sheet going that way, so we're gonna make this a little shorter. Not the end of the world. So just gonna trace this out as usual. I don't seem to have a 3-inch hole saw in the shop. I don't know where it is, but I've got a 3 3/8, so we're just going to adjust our point here. We'll make the hole a little bit bigger when we cut that one. Gonna go ahead and mark all my drill points. Without moving this, hopefully. And I've gone along and marked what size all these holes are, just for future reference. Gonna mark our bend line here. Go ahead and mark that a little bit better once we get the template out of the way. So slide our template off to the side, and I like to circle all my center punches. That way I can find them again. So we're just going to go over to the bandsaw and start cutting this out. just went and cut off a 1/4 inch bolt. And I'm just going to set it in the hole and weld it from the back side. So I'm just going to tip this up at a little angle up on the front. Done. Flap wheel to smooth it off. Yeah, that'll stay there. There's also enough room just to set it off to the side here too. Alright, let's get it mounted on the wall. Actually, you know what? We're just going to line it up at the edge of the wall.
Okay then.
There we go, guys. Another project done. A little more shop organization. Exactly what we were looking for. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. And you can now follow us on Instagram at Wooden Metal Workshop. No dashes. Wooden Metal Workshop. Alright guys, catch you in the next video.